Future Money Masters, welcome back to the Financial Guide channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of coupon craziness. Imagine you're meandering through your favorite grocery store, your cart brimming with all those delicious snacks you love. When you reach the checkout, your heart skips a beat as you see the total. But fear not, because you're about to discover the superpower of savings. Every superhero needs an origin story, and ours begins in a place called Couponville. Here, we meet a young saver named Sam. Sam was a regular shopper, always on the lookout for a good deal. But one day, Sam decided to venture beyond the clearance rack. With a new mission in mind, and armed with a stack of coupons, Sam embarked on an exciting journey to becoming a master of savings. And that's how Sam became a coupon ninja. Coupons, my friends, are magical pieces of paper or digital codes that can turn your shopping sprees into guilt-free extravaganzas. Picture this. You're armed with a piece of paper that has the power to slash prices. It's like a magic spell that transforms a full shopping cart into a wallet-friendly haul. Why does this matter to you, the young saver? Well, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Consider this. If you save just $10 a week using coupons, that's over $500 at the end of the year. That's a sizable chunk of change. Plus, using coupons is like a game. You hunt for them, gather them, and then use them strategically to maximize your savings. They're not just discounts. They're a fun way to make your money stretch further. It's an awesome feeling to know you're getting the best bang for your buck. Now, let's get to the fun part. How to become a coupon ninja. The journey to becoming a master of savings begins with a single step, or in this case, a swipe. Download coupon apps like Ibotta, Honey, and Retail Me Not. These are your secret weapons, tirelessly hunting down the best deals while you scroll through your feed. But the art of couponing doesn't stop at a single discount. Oh no, the true coupon ninja knows the power of stacking. This is when you combine multiple discounts together. Imagine this. You have a store coupon, a manufacturer's coupon, and the item is on sale. It's like hitting a savings jackpot. Next, let's talk about BOGO. Buy one, get one. Deals are your savings sidekick. Getting two for the price of one, that's a no-brainer. So when you spot a BOGO sale, it's time to spring into action. Don't forget to join store loyalty programs. They're like your backstage pass to exclusive discounts and deals. Plus, who doesn't love feeling like a VIP? Finally, remember that every coupon has its day. Keep an eye on those expiry dates. You wouldn't want your hard-earned discounts to vanish before you can use them, would you? Keep track of their expiration dates and use them before they vanish into thin air. There you have it, my fellow future coupon ninjas. We've unearthed the secrets to saving big with coupons, from downloading handy apps to stacking deals and being alert about expiry dates. Now, it's your turn to take these tips and become a savvy shopper. If you found this video useful, smash that like button and subscribe to the Financial Guide channel for more financial wisdom. Remember, every dollar saved inches you closer to your financial dreams. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video, Money Masters.